Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a DIY wreath for fall today, and I am so excited to show you guys what I got. Everything was super inexpensive, and I think it's gonna turn out super cute. So let's jump in. Okay, the first thing that I wanna show you is the wreath base that I got. I got this kind of twined stick wreath at Hobby Lobby, and it was $4.99. And this is 18 inches across, so I feel like it'll be a really good size wreath. So the first thing you're gonna need is a wreath base. Obviously I chose the stick one, but you can do a wreath form, just the wire form, and use any leaves and twine it yourself. But for this particular one, I'm only gonna use a little bit of leaves around this. You're gonna need some scissors, your choice of leaf garnish. I got these ones, they're called Fall, 6 feet long, and they were $9.99, but 40% off at Hobby Lobby. And I'm probably not even gonna use all of this. I'm going to cut it apart and kind of piece it back together. You're also going to need a hot glue gun and some hot glue sticks. This was a little bit more expensive because I had to buy them. So this was $3.99 and $2.99, but if you have these already, then you're gonna save $6, $7 for this DIY. Okay, so the idea for this wreath is that I am going to have half of it covered in leaves and half of it open. That way it's not super red and too much fall, but it also has some fall aspects to it, and it's not just a twine. So the cool thing about these leaves is that they're all individually wrapped around this one twig. So if you have wire cutters, you can cut it. If not, then you just unwrap it. It's super easy, just a couple little twists, and then your leaf comes right out, just like that. I'm gonna cut each individual leaf and glue it where I want it. So, time to cut. Okay, so I'm literally putting glue right here on this part of the vine and then sticking it to one of the sticks on here. This is what the final wreath looks like. If you want to add more anywhere, you absolutely can. I have a ton of leaves left over and still half of the strand. So later, if some fall off or anything else happens, I might go in and touch it up. But now I'm going to show you what it looks like on my door. Okay, so in total, I used 1.5 glue sticks, half of this, and I still have some extra leaves left over. And yeah,